Put the fresh chilies/peppers on the picking belt, and manually remove the chilies/peppers and sundries with unqualified quality or colored to ensure the quality. The picked chilies/peppers are transported to the bubble washing machine, and they are continuously rolled under the dual action of water flow and air bubbles, and the soil and debris are quickly cleaned. If your chilies/peppers are also larger size, you can use a crusher to break them into small particles, and then go to the next step to grind into sauce. Also, it will be smoother when feeding to grinder. Through the high-speed rotation, shearing and grinding of the stator and rotor, the chili peppers are ground into finely divided chili sauce. The chilies/peppers sauce fineness can be adjusted by the rotating hand wheel. Pour chilies/peppers sauce into the jacketed cooking pot, then add water, minced garlic, salt, sugar, vinegar, starch, and other accessories according to different taste and shape requirements. Cooking time is about 20 to 30 minutes, and the temperature is recommended to be 90 to 95 Celsius. After cooking, the chili/peppers sauce is transported to the hopper of filling machine. Filling volume can be adjusted depending on your requirements. Put the bottled chili/peppers sauce into the blanching machine. Sterilized chili/peppers sauce can be stored for a long time. After the sterilized chili sauce is cooled, label it and pack it into storage.